Let's see some vintage kitchen organization ideas. Vintage kitchen decor is a style that brings nostalgic charm and character to the kitchen by incorporating elements from the past eras, typically from the early 19th to the 1970s. It blends antique and retro pieces with warm, homey touches for a timeless, lived-in feel. Key features of vintage kitchen decor. First, classic color palette. Use soft pastels like mint green, pale yellow, robin's egg blue, or muted neutrals like cream, beige, and white, combined with puffs of retro red or mustard yellow. Antique and retro appliances. Vintage style stoves, freeze, and mixers in pastel hues or with chrome details. Farmhouse and enamel accents. White enamel canisters with black lettering, metal bread boxes, and tin spice containers. Use open shelving and glass cabinets, displaying vintage dishes, messengers, or floral teacups for a cozy touch. Use patterned linen and curtains, like gingham, floral, or lace curtains, tablecloths, and aprons, add a nostalgic feel. Use rustic wood and metal elements, ordered wood tables, marble block countertops, and cast iron accents. Classic zigzag and fall decor, retro metal sign chalkboards or framed recipe prints for an old-fashioned touch. Use mismatched and handcrafted pieces, collectibles like Pyrex bowls, antique crockery, and handmade crochet pot shoulders. Use checkerboard or hardwood floors, black and white tiles, or warm wood flooring. Enhance the vintage aesthetic. Vintage lighting, pendant lights, industrial sconces, or schoolhouse style fixtures with a nostalgic glow. Vintage kitchen decor is all about bringing warmth, nostalgia, and character to your cooking space by incorporating elements from past eras, either inspired by the 1920s farmhouse, the 1950s retro dinner, or the 1970s country kitchen. This style blends old-fashioned charm with practicality. Use vintage-inspired furniture and storage for vintage kitchen. OCR cabinets, classic freestanding cabinets with built-in flower shifters, popular in early 20th century kitchens. Use bathtub block and farmhouse tables, wooden surfaces, and warmth and function. Use open shelving and glass front cabinets, displaying vintage dishes, glassware, and messengers filled with ingredients. Metal canisters and bread boxes, often labeled in a nostalgic font, for sugar, flour, and coffee storage. Red retro and antique appliances, vintage-style stoves and refrigerators. Brands like Big Tools and Smeg offer appliances in retro colors and designs. Classic KitchenAid mixers are staple in pastel hues, reminiscent of mid-century kitchens. Cast iron and enamel timeless cookware like the tireless or vintage Pyrex dishes. Use charming linens and textiles like gingham or floral patterns. Fountain contains tablecloths and aprons. Use crochet and lace details, handmade pot holders, doilies, and tea towels add cozy charm. Ruffled or cafe curtains, perfect for a soft country style vintage touch. Use vintage wall decor and accessories, retro metal sign and chalkboards. Advertisements for old brands like Coca-Cola or flour mills. Framed recipe cards or botanical prints. Family heirloom recipes displays as decor. Antique clocks, large rustic wall clocks with Roman numerals for faded oud finishes. Use flooring and countertops. Check out both floors. Classic black and white tiles for a 1950s dinner film. Use old or vodka block countertops, a warm, rustic alternative to modern stone surfaces. Tile backglasses, white suburb tiles patterned encaustic tiles or small hexagonal tiles for a vintage touch. Lighting fixtures with nostalgic charm, industrial style pendant lights, ideal for farmhouse or rustic kitchens. Use milk glass and schoolhouse fixtures, soft, diffused lighting reminiscent of old-fashioned kitchens. Use candelights with a warm finish, perfect for French country or cottage-inspired vintage kitchens. Use vintage dishes and collectibles, Pyrex and Fire King glassware, classic mixing bowls, and bakeware in pastel colors. Depression glass, delicate colored glass dishes from the 1920s to 1940s. Hand-painted china, use floral teacups, plates, and saucers for a cottagecore aesthetic. Types of vintage kitchen styles. Farmhouse vintage kitchen. Use rustic oak, distressed furniture, enamel and open shelving. Neutral tones with warm edged accents like antique breadboards. 1950s retro dinner kitchen. Bright bold colors like red, turquoise yellow with chrome bar stools and checkered floors. Vintage appliances and Formica countertops for a fun, nostalgic vibe. Prince can chip in this kitchen, soft blues, creamy whites, and elegant floral accents. Use old iron details, rustic oak tables, and copper cookware. Cottage-style vintage kitchen, mismatched floral dishes, lace curtains, and cozy handmade details. Use a soft romantic feel with delicate patterns and pastel hues. Vintage kitchen decor is all about bringing warmth, charm, and character to our kitchen by incorporating design elements from the past. This style blends antique, rustic, and retro influences to create a space that feels both cozy and elegant. Whether you are drawn to a farmhouse mid-century retro or French country aesthetic, vintage kitchens embrace nostalgia while maintaining functionality. Defining features of vintage kitchen decor. Vintage color palette. The right colors can instantly set the tone for a vintage kitchen. Common color scheme include soft pastels like mint green, powder blue, pale yellow, and blast pink, popular in the 1950s. Warm neutrals like cream, ivory, beige, and warm white for a classic farmhouse feel. Bold retro accents, cherry red, mustard yellow, and shale for a 1950s inspired look. Earthy tones, olive green, terracotta, and muted blues for a rustic country feel. Antique and retro appliances. Appliances play a big role in vintage kitchens, often featuring curved-edged pastel colors and chrome details. Some key features include vintage-style stoves and refrigerators. Brands like Smig, Big Chill, and Northstars offer retro-inspired models in pastels and bold hues. Classic KitchenAid stand mixers are timeless appliances available in nostalgic colors. As cast iron and animal cookware, brands like Decor and Vintage Pyrex dishes add a touch of history. Toasters and coffee makers in retro colors, small appliances that match the theme, add to the charm. Vintage kitchen often feature classic furniture bridges with aged finishes and antique details. Osier cabinets, freestanding cabinets from the early 19th, often with flower steepers and pull-out counters. As farmhouse-style tables, rustic wooden tables with a worn finish or painted legs. Open shelving, used to display vintage dishes, messengers, and antique kitchen tools. Use metal canisters and bread boxes, enamel or tin containers labeled for sugar, flour, and coffee. Vintage kitchen wall decor and accessories. Vintage wall decor and accessories add personality to the space. Retro metal signs and advertisements. Old Coca-Cola baking powder or coffee tin sign. This aesthetic is all about creating a cozy and inviting space, filled with antique touches, rustic charm, and timeless elegance. Whether inspired by a farmhouse, mid-century retro, or French country aesthetic, Fitness Kitten embraces nostalgia and maintaining functionality. I think these ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.